Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Pad, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Display and Brightness. After that, scroll down again, click on Font, and swipe left or right on this font size slider in order to adjust it. You can check out preview above. When you are finished, remember to save your changes by hitting apply. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!